Welcome to Copy Liquidation Center. We are liquidating bank repo copy machines. We have a lot of copies to liquidate. The prices are very low. This is a color copier. The normal price is $30 to $550. We are liquidating only for almost like $3,000. It's a full color copier, low copy count, and the copy is ready to go. We also have some color Toshiba copy machines at very low price. This is a Toshiba eStudio 350C. We are liquidating at $14.99. Another one next to it is another Toshiba 350C. This one we are liquidating for $12.95. And this is Toshiba eStudio 2500C. We are liquidating at $11.95. They all are very low copy count copiers, full color. They retail for about $12,000 to $14,000. And there are some more Rico copy machines, and we have some more copies back in the warehouse available for liquidation. And this is another Rico 22. Sorry, this is a Rico 2232C. We are liquidating this particular copier for $12.50. This copier retails for about $12,000. It's a full color copier with a finisher, print, scan, fax. It's network ready to go. There's some other Ricos we have, Rico 2022s for $9.95, and some small linear LD118D for about $5.50. It comes with a print, fax, scan, fully loaded. If you have more questions, please call us at 818-748-8817, and we can give you some more information about our copiers. Thank you.